Yusek, nag-scale up si ex-human rights lawyer Harry Roque dun sa kanyang issue ng asylum. Sabi niya, come and get me. Sabi niya gano'n, no? At binanatan pa niya yung paggamit ng intelligence fund ng gobyerno. Yung gobyerno ba mag-i-scale up din in terms of evidence para siya ay kunin dahil naghahamon na siya. So, pag hindi ito natuloy, baka tamaan yung gobyerno, no? Doon sa kanyang paghahamon.
Mahirap ko pong sabihin sa ngayon kung anong ipaplano ng gobyerno. Baka makapagtago siya. So, kaya sinabi ko, just wait and see kung anong gagawin natin. Hindi naman po ito, siyempre, karapatan po, obligasyon din po ng gobyerno na panagutin ang dapat managot. So, kung dapat siya managot dito sa bansa at meron siyang di umanong ginawang krimen, dapat lang siya maibalik sa bansa. So, just wait and see. For Attorney Harry Roque, just wait and see.
I have to point out that tama siya, no? Kasi in his response, right after sinabi ni Justice Sec Boying that his asylum bid was denied, nag-reply po kagad si Attorney Roque and he said, strike 2 na si Justice Sec, si DOJ, yung first daw na fake news was the multiple passports, which later on we found out na-cancel na nga pala yung diplomatic passports ni Attorney Roque. And then Roque says this is the second instance nga. But to your knowledge, meron talagang, I know you've given a press conference on this and you've said that DOJ has their own intelligence sources. Pero what else do we know about this? Is it likely that they would have had information on yung asylum decision?
Okay, ganito po gusto ko lang pong iklaro kasi nadidinig ko na naman din po yung sinasabi ng DOJ at saka ni SOJ. Sa aking pagkakatanda tungkol sa passport, ang sabi po niya ay ang alam niya may ilang passport. Pero subject pa din po yun sa investigation. Hindi naman po niya sinabing sigurado na siya ganito. Nabanggit niya po yun, pero ipinapaimbestiga po. Hindi pa po wala pa pong conclusion. Pati dito naman po, patungkol sa asylum, ang sinabi rin naman po ni ng DOJ through Yusek Raul Vasquez, na they're just awaiting the formal notice regarding the petition or request for asylum. So, wag na lang po niya siguro maliitin kung ano yung intelligence or mga ibibigay na information sa DOJ. So, hindi po natin babanggitin kung ano nabanggit na impormasyon na ibigay sa DOJ, but tignan na lang po natin.
Sorry, could you repeat that? May sabi kayo na they're just waiting for the formal notice about the request for asylum?
Opo. According to Yusek Raul Vasquez, they are just awaiting the formal notice regarding the asylum. So, di naman sinasabing deny, di naman sinasabi na grant. They're just awaiting. So definitely meron naman din po sa kanilang bumubulong and that's the intelligence nila, yung assets nila.
Yes, but by that, are you saying that there's already a decision or and that we're just waiting for the promulgation of sorts, if that is the right word for it? Or, kasi the asylum process itself could take up to a year or a year and a half. I mean, we don't know. What I'm just saying is that when you say we're waiting for the formal notice, does that mean that we're waiting for them to decide or we're waiting for them to announce?
Wala po akong masasabi muna, sir. Mahirap magsalita. So,
but okay. I suppose what we know so far at this point is we're waiting on the formal notice from the Dutch government, correct? Yusek?
Opo.
On a different note,
wait, sorry. Close ko lang tong topic na to. What about the yung plan to cancel Mr. Roque's passport? I wonder, when we spoke to DOJ a few weeks ago, sabi na nila they were getting ready to do it. I wonder if you have any updates.
What I know now is they already filed a petition for cancellation and it's pending before the court. So wait na lang po natin din yung decision ng court.
Nakapag-file na po yung DOJ?
Yes po.
Okay.